Okay, just to update here. Got this torque box fit in pretty good. I'm still looking at the inner rocker arm. Needs to come down a little bit somehow. I got to try to get this down a little bit. I'll jack this up. I'm going to see what I got to do here. But you can see I got the pan in. Pan's in. Did a test fit. Got the pan in. Okay. Here's a seat riser. It's in. It's got little gaps, but it'll pull together whenever I start screwing it together. It's going to fit just fine. Build that baby up, no problem. And anyway, underneath, here's underneath. See here. Shape this a little bit with a hammer, shaping it up, and then when I get ready to screw that, I think it's going to fit up nicely. And this is a little, it's going to pull up too. Like I said, I got to work on getting this inner rocker arm down a little bit. See right there. Now down here, that's down a little bit more. It's down with the edge. So, what that is, I think, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at this.